can't keep up! Oh my god! Best day ever. We made a little TTR track in the field. Everyone's come round. Affy G and Alf, Simo and Ollie. But
oh, it's quad time.
We haven't got the right equipment. G's on a quad and a puncher. We got a quad and a puncher. TTR with only one brake. And two 250Fs, which are a bit big for the TTR track, not gonna lie. It's sketchy. Jesus Christ, how is G so good? Seriously. I actually am pretty impressed. I didn't know he was so good. I feel like he's gonna KO himself. It's so funny.
Is your neck alright to hurt now?
Oh yeah, it's G's neck alright to hurt.
What do you mean? I think I'm going to tackle you off the quad.
Can I hurt you?
That was better than watching any type of race.
Ollie's better.
Oh, you got such a dead job.
Oh no, did it hit your leg?
In my handlebar.
Oh, look at that. Fuck.
It went straight into it.
God. Oh, God.
Oh no, so
I felt it hit your leg.
oh, it sliced into
Right.
it. Yeah, it's literally hit my
I
muscle.
thought you were...
I was like, oh no, he's on the wrong side.
Oh, God.
The quad's like a boat when it's like going the way you can't control it to go.
I feel like you should just slow down 1%.
I can't do it anymore, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Oh God, this is a bad place for it to break because it's outside of the turn that G always like blows out. Oh, here they come. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's the slippiest thing ever. So slippy. Turn, roosted.
There's like two now. That was just
Like goggles on. See why they invented goggles.
you know how long it takes to rock.
But, no, not that long ago. Beach.
Hello?
Can I go here?
Yeah,
Up and down.
yeah. That was fun watching. Have you given up?
No, I just don't want to get injured.
Too dangerous.
I got too close to getting injured then.
Yeah, it's more fun. Whose is this one? Yours?
No, that's Affy's. That needs fuel in it.
There's no front brake.
Oh yeah, just put fuel in Rachel's.
Thanks. What was the best bit of the day, of the track?
Not getting injured. Affy separating my calf muscle from my leg.
With his handlebars.
As I crashed, I thought this has gone so badly.
Yeah.
So I
long.
felt it like hit something soft.
Oh, fleshy.
That was my fucking car.
The Ollie's like nice tight turns are just obliterated by the quad.
That's the thing with the quad, it's wide as everything. Because you cut one and then spin on another and then you go straight.
Ew.
Dan, there's some oil.
There's some oil.
Daddy's prepping his bike now.
You love putting oil in, don't you?
Yeah.
That's petrol. Doing. Yay. Everyone
Yeah, you
together.
can feel it. You feel it along that long right hander as you like the back.
It's
was
so
like
cool.
dipping.
Yay! Go Samo! TTR's given up now. Now we've got 2 broken TTRs. 14 years I've had that. 14 years. Used to do 3-hour Wirral off-road enduros on it. Yeah. Yeah, me and Tracy.
Yeah, it's quite predictable.
It was horrible. Yeah, me, Tracy Mosley, and Helen Gaskell used to do the enduros on our TTRs. Thanks, crew.
Yeah, I can take it tomorrow night.
We'll get some better tools for the job, I think, next time.